Hi there. In this AIsiteX review, I'm going to show you a game-changing AI tool that helps you create and sell websites and online courses automatically. Yes, using the power of AI. Stick around, because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. Who I am. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal, a six-figure affiliate marketer and founder of TestedApps.com, with over 6 years in the game. I make these reviews to help digital hustlers like you find the best tools to grow your online income, faster and smarter. If that sounds good, smash that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a money-making tool like this one. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses waiting for you if you grab AIsiteX through my link below. These are hand-picked tools and resources to help you launch faster and profit more. So check the description, you don't want to miss them. So, what exactly is AIsiteX? It's a cloud-based platform that helps you build AI-powered websites, online courses, and virtual sales agents, all in one dashboard. You can launch full-blown websites, sell automated video courses, and even deploy AI agents that write, sell, support, and teach on autopilot. WHO it's for. Whether you're a coach, affiliate marketer, freelancer, agency owner, or even a side hustler, AIsiteX gives you everything you need to create your digital empire without hiring a team or writing a single line of code. Now, let's keep it real. This isn't some push-button, get-rich-quick junk. AIsiteX gives you powerful tools and training to build your own digital business. But just like anything real, it'll still require some action from your side. Key features. Here are some of the powerful features that stood out to me. AI website and course builder. No design or tech skills needed. AI sales and course agents. They sell, support, and teach for you, smart writer. Writes your website content and course pages, 50+ done-for-you templates. Beautiful designs ready to launch SEO engine. Get your content ranked and discovered, secure sharing and hosting. Built-in SSL, no extra fees, commercial license. Sell sites, courses, or services to others. In short, it's like having ClickFunnels, Kajabi, and Jasper AI all rolled into one at a tiny fraction of the price. How it works. It's super beginner friendly. Step 1. Log in and pick a template. Step 2. Add your content or use the AI writer. Step 3. Launch your website or course with a few clicks. Step 4. Let the AI sales agent start closing for you. You can also secure your course modules, create downloadable files, and connect your custom domains, all with just a few clicks. Let's check out a quick demo so you can see it in action.
Every second you waste struggling with technical know-how, you're losing money. Every tool you thought would change your business is just another subscription draining your account. Enough is enough. It's time for a system that actually works for you, not against you. Let's be real. You've been lied to. All-in-one software that promises the world and delivers headaches. Funnels that take weeks to set up. Tools are so complicated, you'd need a PhD to even get started. And meanwhile, your goals? They're stuck in setup mode. Your bank account? Leaking cash. Your competitors? Already winning. You're still battling with broken tech while they're out there launching, scaling, and thriving. You didn't start your business to play tech support. You didn't chase financial freedom just to get buried under dashboards and endless how-to tutorials. You're here to win. To move fast. To build something real without burning a hole in your wallet from overpriced SaaS fees. Introducing AIsiteX. A 3-in-1 AI-powered app that builds stunning websites and courses in any niche on complete autopilot with 24/7 AI agents. Not another tool. Not another gimmick. This is a full-stack business launcher built to launch your website and course agency business with trained AI agents that can automate the grind you hate. Business? Automated. No tech headaches. Everything in one click. Need a website? AI handles it. Need a course? AI creates it. Need customer and lead support? AI agents work for you while you sleep. And here's the kicker. You own it. No monthly fees. No renting back your own success from someone else. Picture this. Launching a complete website in under 5 minutes. Building an agency ready to charge $1,000 plus per client on demand. AIsiteX isn't just a tool. It's a weapon for anyone ready to move, win, and own the game. And right now, it's loaded, cocked, and ready for you to fire. Every second you wait, another second your dreams stay stuck in Sunday mode. The early bird launch window is closing fast, and once it's gone, the price doubles. If you're serious about building a real business without the tech chaos, AIsiteX is built for you and built for the future. Click the buy button below to grab AIsiteX and start building the business and life you deserve before this window slams shut. Welcome to AIsiteX, your full-stack website and course agency business launcher. In this quick demo, we'll show you how you can effortlessly create stunning websites, courses, and deploy DeFi AI agents in any niche on complete autopilot. First, log into your AIsiteX dashboard. From here, you can choose what you want to do. Build a website, create a course, or deploy an AI agent. Let's build a website. Simply click on the Website menu. Here you have the option to build a website from scratch, build using our professionally pre-built DeFi template, and build with AI. Now let's build a website with AI by clicking on Use AI option. The AI-powered website creation chat opens. Enter the type of website you want to create and select a primary goal. AI suggests the NAV menus and you click on Proceed to continue. You can also select your preferred design style, whether you want it to be professional and clean, bold and converting, dynamic and interactive, and so on. You choose how you would want the website to look, one page or multi-page. Perfect. AI has everything needed to build your website. Click on Yes, please create my website. AI then proceeds to instantly build a polished website, ready for publishing. Use the drag and drop editor to tweak anything, add your branding, and publish in minutes. Need a course? Click on the Course menu. Again, the AI-powered course creation chat opens. Enter a topic and select which level of audience the course is intended for, whether beginner, intermediate, or advanced. You can also choose if you would like to add a quiz or download file to the course. Perfect. AI has everything needed to creating your course. Click on Yes, please create my course. AI then proceeds to instantly create a full, SEO-optimized course for you in seconds, complete with course overview, modules, contents, and quiz. But that's not all. AIsiteX allows you to create and deploy AI sales agent for your website and AI course agent for your course with just a few clicks. See AI agents in actions. Now in mere minutes you can effortlessly launch a fully automated website and course agency business in minutes, equipped with DeFi AI-driven agents. Without tech hassles, paying for expensive software, or monthly fees. Ready to launch your website and course agency business? Start using AIsiteX today.
Upgrades, OTOs. After you grab the main version for just $14.97, here's what you'll see. OTO 1, AIsiteX Unlimited, $37. Unlocks unlimited websites, courses, agents, domains, design blocks, and more. If you're serious, get this. OTO 2, DFY, Business, $47. You get done-for-you websites, courses, and funnels, plus custom branding. Perfect for busy folks. OTO 3, Agency and Reseller, $97. Sell AIsiteX services, manage clients, and keep 100% profits with your own agency dashboard. OTO 4, White Label, $197. Rebrand everything, get full ownership, and offer AIsiteX as your own software. OTO 5, Bundle Deal, $247. Best value. Get everything above at a one-time discounted price. Pick the ones that make sense for your business and skip the rest. What I love. Here's what really impressed me about AIsiteX. It's super beginner-friendly and perfect for non-techies. The built-in AI sales agents are like having a team of closers working 24/7. You can generate multiple income streams, sell courses, build sites, resell services, or launch your own software brand. What could be better? Now, let's be honest, it's not built for complex custom-coded apps. It's more for rapid deployment and monetization. If you're building the next Facebook or Netflix clone, this isn't that. But if you're looking to quickly launch and profit with websites or courses, this is insanely powerful. If you want to build your digital presence, launch passive income products, and automate your sales without burning your budget. Grab AIsiteX today through the link below while it's still at the launch discount. Plus, don't forget, those exclusive bonuses are waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for watching my AIsiteX review. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of AIsiteX? Will you use it in your business? If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. This is Kamal from TestedApps.com, helping you build smarter, not harder.